Hello everyone. Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're a fan of adorable, creative, and inspiring woodcrafts, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, I've got some wonderful ideas that will help you add a cozy, handcrafted touch to your home or create special gifts for your loved ones. So, grab your tools, get comfortable, and let's dive into these beautiful woodcraft projects together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest inspiration. Now, let's get started and bring some charm and warmth into your space with these fantastic woodcraft ideas. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of adorable woodcrafts that can transform your living space or make perfect handmade gifts. Woodcrafting is an age-old art that combines creativity, patience, and skill to produce beautiful, functional, and decorative items. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, woodcrafts offer endless possibilities for expressing your personal style. The natural warmth and rustic charm of wood make it a favorite material for creating home decor, gifts, and accessories. In this video, we'll explore some simple yet adorable wood craft ideas that will inspire you to pick up your tools and start creating. From tiny decorative pieces to functional home accents, woodcrafts add a cozy and inviting touch to any space. Essential tools include a good quality saw, either a hand saw or a power saw for more intricate cuts, along with a drill for making holes and adding decorative elements. Sandpaper or a sanding block is crucial for smoothing rough edges and surfaces, giving your crafts a professional finish. Clamps can help secure pieces while gluing, and a wood glue or adhesive is necessary for assembling parts securely. For finishing touches, acrylic paints, wood stains, and sealants are perfect for adding color and durability. When selecting wood, opt for softwoods like pine, cedar, or basswood for ease of cutting and shaping. Reclaimed wood is also a wonderful eco-friendly option that adds character to your crafts. Safety should always come first, so don't forget to wear protective gear like goggles and masks when cutting or sanding. With these basic supplies, you can confidently create a variety of adorable wood projects. The process is straightforward and requires minimal tools. Start by selecting a small piece of lightweight wood, such as basswood or pine. Using a saw, cut out a heart shape, or for more precision, draw your design with a pencil and cut along the outline. Sand the edges smooth to avoid splinters and give the heart a polished look. Once the shape is ready, you can paint it with pastel shades, add intricate patterns, or leave it natural for a rustic vibe. To hang the ornament, Drill a small hole at the top and thread a piece of twine or ribbon through it. These wooden hearts can be customized with names, quotes, or tiny decorative elements like beads or rhinestones. To craft your own, start with small, flat pieces of wood. Cork-backed coasters work well, or you can cut your own from thin plywood or hardwood slices. Sand the surface thoroughly for a smooth finish. Now, personalize your coasters by painting cute patterns, doodles, or even tiny illustrations of animals, flowers, or geometric shapes. You can also use wood-burning tools to create intricate designs, adding a rustic and textured look. For a more elegant touch, stain the wood in warm hues or seal it with a clear varnish to enhance the natural grain. Consider adding small felt pads on the bottom to prevent slipping and protect your furniture. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I really appreciate your time and support. I hope you enjoyed these adorable wood craft ideas and feel inspired to create something special of your own. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials and decor inspiration. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see your amazing crafts. Stay tuned for more exciting projects, and happy crafting!